Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com. I recently picked up a rental car for a few days, and upon picking it up, the nice lady at the desk told me that they had their company detailer go through the vehicle and make sure that it was perfect for me. While I really appreciated the gesture, I'm sure that they missed a few spots. And as soon as I sat down in the car, my eye caught a few areas that I know other detailers would probably miss too, so I figured I should go through the vehicle, get up close and personal, and do some voiceovers and show you guys how to clean it at home. This could really set you apart from other detailers in your area because most amateur detailers don't take the time to really go through and find all the nooks and crannies that dust, hair, grime, and other sort of contaminants really get to collect. So, without any further ado, I'm going to go through the vehicle and we're going to get up real close and I'm going to put on some voiceovers to make it easy for you to follow along. The Tornador, carpet extractors, and other interior cleaning tools will not be used in this video because I understand some people don't have that type of equipment readily available. So I'm going to be using some brushes, some microfiber towels, a bucket of water, and some Detail King products to make this car look like it was supposed to look in the first place. So let's get started.
To spruce up the interior of this vehicle, we're going to be using a Detail King 5-gallon bucket with some water, an interior AC and vent brush, some Pink Power, and some low lint yellow microfiber interior cleaning towels. You can find all of this at DetailKing.com. First, put one of the microfiber towels in the bucket of water and allow it to saturate. To clean a vent, we're going to take some Pink Power, wet the tip of the brush, and spray Pink Power onto the tip of the brush. I'm going to dunk the brush back into some water just to get some suds going, and I'm going to use that to get all of the dirt and dust from out in between all of the small little cracks and crevices. We see that there's some similar gunk and goo all over the cigarette lighter area. I'm going to use the same brush, getting around the area, agitating as I go, but also being sure to not get water into the cigarette lighter area. After I'm done using the brush, I'll dry the area with a microfiber towel, lift the door of the cigarette lighter, and dry underneath it just to make sure. Now as you can see, this shiny black plastic has a film residue all over it. I'm just going to take a microfiber towel, spray it with one spray of Pink Power, and wipe down the area completely. Then I'm going to follow it up with a dry microfiber towel to make sure the area is crisp, clean, and looking brand new. Now that I've gotten that area clean, right above the glove box, you can see there's a smudge of dirt and dust stuck in the cracks. I'm going to use the AC vent brush again because its bristles work great at getting in those small areas. With a little bit of Pink Power and water, I'm going to agitate the area to get suds going and wipe away with a clean, dry microfiber towel. Next, we're going to be using the same brush as before with some Pink Power and a little bit of water to agitate the steering wheel area to remove some of the sticky residue that seems to be around the entire steering wheel. After we've agitated the area and created some foam, we're ready to wipe away with a dry, clean microfiber towel, and as you can see, it removes all that sticky residue in one go. Last but not least, the dashboard is covered in a nice layer of dirt, pollen, and dust. I'm going to take that same damp, saturated microfiber towel that we used before and wipe it over the area, picking up any loose dirt, dust, or pollen that might still be on the dashboard. As you can see, it works great at doing a quick wet dusting all over the area. As I'm sure you've noticed, Pink Power goes a long way when used sparingly. Just 1 or 2 sprays is really all you need to get going. If you're having trouble drying an area, try taking the end of the brush and folding it into the microfiber towel and using that to stick into the tighter areas. If that doesn't work, you could even fold the towel in on itself to get into certain cracks and crevices. Taking the time to do these steps is what separates an amateur detailer from a true professional, making sure that the car is as pristine, perfect, and clean as the day it drove off the lot.
Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you picked up a few tips if you're a detailer, or if you're just a consumer, you found a few areas to check out when you pick up your car the next time you get it detailed. As always, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification icon to be notified when we post a new video. Let us know in the comments below some areas that we might have forgot to mention in the video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, it really helps us out. And head on over to DetailKing.com where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King and all the products seen in this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.